Good morning, Freddie. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do this morning, Freddie? Just be a friendly kitty? Okay. Oh my goodness, you're dying of starvation, huh? You're so mean. Why you gotta be so mean? Why did you wake up so early this morning, my dear?
It just looked like a morning outside.
Look at this great water and shade station that Jeff built the other day. Very nice. So I was going to tell everybody on the video the story of Squatternush farm and how we got the name Squatternush. You forgot how? So maybe I'll tell you the story. Alright, we're going to sit here and watch our chicken TV, right?
Yeah.
So the story of the name of Squatternush Farm, it comes from an old family joke that probably dates back like 6 years ago. I think it was back when Autumn was about 10, and that would make Talia about 4. And I just remember being in the kitchen of our old house, and we had butternut squash, and we were talking, and I honestly don't remember if it was me or if it was Autumn who just had a slip of the brain or a slip of the tongue, and we said, instead of butternut squash, we said Squatternush butt. And of course we all just busted up laughing. It was the most hilarious sounding word. And from that point on, butternut squash has always been Squatternush butt for us. So when we were trying to think of a name for our farm, Jeff had everyone kind of try to think of names and like send them to him or tell them to him. And we were all gonna vote on which one we liked the best. And we did that, and we sat down to try to vote, and we really didn't settle on any of the names that we had all thought of. None of them were just right. And it was just while we were sitting there in that family meeting, I remembered Squatternush and the hilarity of that. And I said, what about Squatternush Farm? And some people liked it right away, and others it had to grow on them a little bit. But in the end, everybody decided they liked the name. And then we officially dubbed our farm Squatternush Farm. So when I was planting the garden this year, I knew for sure that we needed to plant some Squatternush butts in our garden, and they are growing and seem to be growing pretty well. We're going to get several, I think, and they are the first Squatternush butts of Squatternush Farm. So my husband has plans for making a sign for the farm, and we're going to be working on like a logo, and of course it'll have a butternut squash in there somehow. So that's the story. Nothing long or drawn out, just a hilarious family joke that we always have laughed at. Are you going to smile? You look so serious. How can you not smile when you're watching these hilarious chickens?
Hey, stop picking on your friends.
You gotta be nice to each other. Birds of a feather are supposed to stick together, not be mean to each other. What is Freddie doing back there? Freddie, what are you doing? You need to stay away from the chickens.
Right when you said that, she just sat down like, no.
She's just sitting down watching them. She likes chicken TV too, I guess. Oh, who's that? Talia's up. Let's check on these chickies. Oh, look at the chickies. They're so cute. Alright, I need your help, Talia, to carry. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to go to your playpen? Alright, so let's take this off, and Talia, you can hand me one.
Okay. Oh, they're getting mohawks.
Oh, let me see. Show it to me.
Get a real mohawk.
Oh, what a cutie.
They look so funny, just like...
You get to have some nice grass and weeds and flowers. Yeah, we can move it a little bit so they have fresh new grass.
Hi.
Look at that little chicken mohawk.
Hi.
Look at that little chicken mohawk.
Mohawk.
It's
Wait,
so
no,
cute. This one has a mohawk that I'm holding too.
Yeah.
It's so
Stop
cute.
it. Drop
Okay,
it.
let's
I
get them
love
in there.
mohawks.
They're ready to play.
Just drop it.
There
Yeah.
Oh no!
they go.
But Freddie was slinking around, and the chickens were like, when they saw her, they were like, no.
A little bit nervous, yeah. So we're putting our juvenile chickens out here. We have this little playpen that I made, very fancy, out of baby gates that I got from Walmart. And so they can see the other chickens, and the other chickens can get used to them a little bit, and they can see where their home is going to be eventually, but they're a little bit too small yet to put in with the big ones. But hopefully in not too long.
Today I saw them. I saw the biggest chicken sneezing,
Oh,
and it was really funny.
well, that's weird.
It
never
sneezed
seen
a
a
few
chicken
times.
sneeze.
It was like really high pitched. The last one sounded kind of like a scream. It was like,
Hey, you better not do it. Ow!
Did it get you?
Yes,
Just stick the grass in and not your hand.
I did stick my hand
And
in.
don't get your hand too close. Look, they really want that grass. You got all kinds of grass in here, and you want that grass better? Okay, whatever.
a little greedy.
Renee gives the best grass.
You're so cute. I just love you so much. That one's using the food as a stool. You're adorable. Hey, I'm gonna let you have some. You didn't have it. You got it with the mohawk. Okay, now you can have some.
You can call the white one, and the two ones with mohawk. You could call them mohawk buddies. I wonder if they'll have mohawks when they get this old. That'll look awesome.
Hey, it was just put its beak through the hole to nip me.
Yeah.
Stop doing that.